Think, people, think a little bit. Okay, that's why my students, we make money. This is what's happening with us. Who is playing? Who is the? Hello, people, you don't know? Oh, no. You have to know who is this guy, who is. Number 3, step number 3. If you want to increase your sales, eBay sales, doesn't care. Dropshipping, Shopify, Etsy, whatever sales. If you want to do this on the internet, okay? Or if you are baking your small cookies and if you want to sell them in your store, you have to keep your store open every day. Okay, and you have to have in your store fresh cookie every day. If you open your store once a week and you have cookie only once a week, you lose customers. It's called on an eBay platform, it's called consistency. You don't need to come once a week on the eBay and list their 10 items and then 6 days go to beach. No, it's not the business, okay? If you have seen somebody sitting on a beach with the laptop, I will gonna teach you this is the business. I can teach you business, how money comes from the hair. You don't do anything. It's a beach business, okay? Stupid people, beach is for the beach, office is for the office. Nobody in the right mind goes to the beach with the laptop. Why would I need to go to the beach with the laptop? Because beach is for the beach. I have lived in Hawaii for 2 years. I lived there, never ever in my life took laptop to the beach. Hawaii, you know what the Hawaii is? Hawaii is beach everywhere, okay? You go to beach, no laptops. It's insanity. You're too stupid if you take laptop to the beach, okay? You keep your laptop at home, work at home, go to beach, okay? So number 3, keep consistency. Keep consistency. What it means consistency? Again, why do you need why do you need to keep consistency? Not for me, not even for you. No, you don't care about consistency. I don't care about consistency. This body here called eBay's algorithm cares about consistency. If you are consistent, if you are consistently go to the gym 15 minutes a day, every day, 15 minutes a day, it's much better than to go only Sundays for 2 hours in Sundays. Oh, I go to gym every Sunday, 2 hours I spend in a gym. You are not smart. You need some consultation. Go to the personal trainer and ask him if this is okay. And if the personal trainer is okay, he will gonna tell you this is not okay. Okay is if you do 15 minutes a day. Okay is if you do eBay dropshipping or eBay selling to keep account active every day. So which means it's much better to list every day one single product. One single product, not 5. One single product. If you list 5 products, you get tired. One day you say, no, it's heck, I go to beach. I got tired already. So don't do too much work. Stupid work. Don't do too much stupid work. Let them do too much stupid work because they don't know how to separate themselves. They stay in the same place, sell the same flowers, cutting the price. Let them do this, okay? Competition, you don't need to reduce competition. You don't need to reduce competition. It's not your job. Nobody can reduce competition. Your job is to separate yourself from competition, not to reduce competition. You cannot reduce competition. Competition always will gonna be. You sell coffee table for studio apartment. After 3 months, 120 snippers are on after you because they see that you are selling. Okay, what do you need to do? You don't need to go down with the price. No, because you have competition now. Everybody's after you. You are so smart. You're making money. Everybody's after you. No, let them fight. Go away, find something else, sell something else again, because your brain is working. Brain is not working, let them just implement tools and just make fight. Okay, they're making money. Some people make, you know who makes money here? I'm very serious. Somebody is making money, but you don't want to compete with them because those are the big sharks. Okay, I lived in Hawaii. When I lived in Hawaii, when I go beach, on the beach you don't go very far in beach, okay? Because when you go, the big shark is there. When big shark, not good, not good. Big shark, you cannot do anything. Big shark comes, big shark eats you. Bad. Don't go where the big shark is, okay? Go where no big shark, okay? There is no big sharks there, okay? Big sharks are there because they have this ability, they have stocks, they have whatever budgets, they have a virtual assistant, whatever it is, they have a business, because the big sharks, they have been on this business for years and years and years. You cannot compete with them. They have those hot selling products because they are not hot, but because they made them to be hot. You don't need another hot selling product, because if the big shark will gonna give you hot selling product, you will not gonna sell it. Why? Because you cannot compete here. There is a big sharks. This is the big shark business. You are not the big shark. If you would be big shark, you wouldn't be here on this channel here, okay? So that's why this is for you. Find something where you can sell. And one day you will gonna be big shark as well, okay? So this is number 3. List consistently, one product a day, because this will gonna trigger eBay's algorithm that you are doing every day, and those sparks will be every day, and the sales will start coming. This is what is your focus is, okay? Okay, is it okay? 3 things, guys. Those, you see, I didn't give you here science. It is not science. It's just, you know, things what you have to do, okay? You know things that you have to do, because you don't, you have to understand that whatever you put out there, you put on an eBay's platform. eBay is not the Craigslist where you put whatever you want to put there, okay? eBay is platform. eBay is run by the algorithm. When you put there something, eBay evaluates that one. Evaluates. I have in a $7.99, I have those 5 videos about how to understand eBay's, how the circle goes. You list the product, send into eBay. eBay sends there for engagement. If there is engagement, you got spike. If there is no engagement, you have nothing. It's the same with the Facebook. You post something on the Facebook or on Instagram, doesn't matter. They are run by the algorithm. Not Zuckerberg is not sitting there with the coffee, not drinking coffee and looking what you are posting. No, there is an algorithm. Algorithm looks what you are posting. If you post something there on a Facebook and there is no likes, where is the likes? Come on, where is the likes here? You don't. If you don't like, put this one. It's okay with me. No problem. No problem. No, this makes money me. Okay, but if you like this one, okay. eBay, Facebook is the same. If there is no engagement, no comments, no engagement, and you just put, this is nice girl, this is nice car, this is like, who cares about this? Nobody cares. It's inactive. Your Facebook account is and Facebook is not showing you. Facebook is not showing you to anybody. When you do Facebook ads and there is nothing, you're just paying money, right? Facebook. It's the same with the eBay. You have to have engagement, okay? I'm teaching how to get engagement. How do you get engagement? You think the engagement is only money, you get sold? No. Viewers, when somebody comes and view and when somebody clicks on your title, bing, good engagement, okay? Watchers, if you got the watcher, good engagement. Oh yeah, good engagement. What else is counted as engagement on eBay? Why do you need to care about engagement? Because as much as engagement you will gonna get on eBay, watchers, viewers, feedbacks, okay? There is a good engagement and bad engagement. That's not for this video, that's for another video, okay? So even the followers, the subscribers on eBay also, there is a followers, you know that, okay? Even if people ask you a question, don't ever ignore the question. Question is engagement. If you ignore people's engagement, eBay will gonna judge you because you ignore their customer. eBay doesn't like that you ignore their customer. eBay wants you to answer their customer because eBay's customer is buyer, not you. You are outsider. eBay's buyer is customer, okay? So engagement is so important. That's why when you keep engagement, eBay will gonna show you more and more and more just because you keep engagement with their audience, okay? And by the law, the sales will gonna happen if your title is okay, if your keywords are okay, and if your pictures are okay, appealing, not like everybody else, but better. So when you do those things, what will gonna happen with your account? What will gonna happen with your account? You will gonna have increase in more than 10 areas. So first of all, you will gonna have view increase, sparks more, okay? When you have more view increase, which means engagement, eBay will gonna give you more visibility if you have good engagement. If you have bad engagement is if somebody asks you a question, you answer no. This is bad engagement. Bad engagement is if you sold somebody something and they ask for return. This is bad engagement, okay? This is not for this video, okay? Don't go that area, okay? But anyway, visibility increase, more sales, more views increase, more watchers increase, people get interested in your stuff, you will gonna get followers. Now listen to me, this is very crucial, important. Nobody on a Facebook or YouTube ever told you this, because I know that nobody does this. I know, I'm true. If I'm lying, put me that you know this already, okay? So when people subscribe and follow you, when people follow you, they just follow this seller. There is a button, clicks, you follow the seller, okay? And when the sale happens, then you put something out there, then you put the this one, okay? And somebody who subscribed to you, whoops, they buy it, boom, they bought it. You got double points from eBay. Because it doesn't matter for you or for somebody else, but for eBay's algorithm, because you engage with eBay's customer, you engage, and you not only engage, but you provide value for them. When you provide value for them, they buy, okay? Then they send the feedback to you. And on eBay's algorithm, feedback is engagement. You got another plus point, okay? Another like a medal in your pocket, you got another one, okay? Because of this engagement, eBay will gonna show you more and more and more and more. You know what the traditional people do? Traditionally, what the people do, you know? Usually, what everybody else is doing. What you know, you have to know, because it's so popular. Everybody else is doing something else, but not this stuff. Everybody else is screaming right now, what happened with promoted items? Oh my gosh, what happened with eBay promotions? That's what people do. Those people, they have no clue how to do the engagement. They think that they were gonna pay money and the engagement will gonna happen, okay? Well, it is, some part of truth is in that, but the sad part there is, okay, about the engagement. Why am I talking about engagement now? We have to talk about consistency. Because you see, engagement is the most important, because your ROI, you know what the ROI is? ROI. ROI means return on investment. Your return on investment. Your investment is what? You invest product there, and your return on investment is engagement, feedback, view, watcher, question. You answer the question, then somebody is following you. The follower bought it from you. Boom! You become famous on eBay, and when you become famous and good eBay's employee, because I'm the eBay's employee, you are the eBay's employee. What eBay will gonna do with you? Do they want you to pay money? No. eBay wants you to be, eBay will gonna put you everywhere for somebody else whom they never showed you, because you prove to be good seller, and they know that they need, oh, this seller is very good, let us just put him up in the front from ever. When somebody typing in their coffee table for living room, now you can sell coffee table for living room, and now you can do the high competition because you earn it. Okay, and you don't need to pay for this, but eBay will gonna put you up there just because what you did already. It's called portfolio. You build up your portfolio. Okay, in which way? You need to know how to do titles, how to do keywords, how to do pictures, how to do descriptions, how to do item specifics, how to do pricing properly. Okay, and what products to list at what stage, because you are on different stage than me, and somebody else who is here, let me see, Ibra is on different, sorry if I did mispronounce your word, but you are on a different stage than Mike is on different stage than me in different stage than Johnny is on a different stage than that. There is a 4 stages on eBay. Maybe sometimes we are on the same stage, but 4 stages are how eBay looks to you and to me. 4 stages, okay? 4 stages. Think. Why do you do dropshipping? Just because everybody else is telling you to do this? If you haven't been subscribed, click that button there. There is subscribe button. Subscribe. If you have any questions, write questions in the comments. Yeah.